Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up down by 27 points, that is 0.03%, and settled at 79,897 points. Nifty 50 is down by 8 points, that is 0.03%, and settled at 24,315 points. Bank Nifty is up by 181 points, that is 0.16%, and settled at 52,270 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 227 points, that is 0.40%, and settled at 57,148 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 129 points, that is 0.69%, and settled at 18,919 points. Anil Agarwal's Vedanta will likely opt for the QIP route to raise 8,000 crore rupees and has appointed bankers for the proposed issue, after having secured shareholder approval for the fundraise back in June. CNBC TV 18 reported this source-based update on 11th July, still awaiting a comment from Vedanta, and this story will be updated if and when there is a response from the company. Data Patterns, India, surged 7.11% to 3,429 rupees and 45 paise after Defence Research and Development Organisation awarded the company a project for developing radar signal processor with active antenna array simulator. The DRDO has awarded 7 new projects to industries under the Technology Development Fund scheme for various requirements of the armed forces and aerospace and defense sectors. Of those 7 projects, 1 project has been awarded to Chennai-based Data Pattern, India, by the DRDO. The project will enable deployment of multiple target system for test and evaluation of multiple short-range aerial weapon system. It serves as the basic building block for larger radar systems, the Ministry of Defense said in a statement. Indegene partners Microsoft to scale up GenAI adoption. The two firms will develop resources in medical and technology tools to co-innovate generative AI services and workflows for life sciences firms. Indegene has signed an agreement with Microsoft to provide support to global life sciences firms to scale up their generative AI services, the Bangalore-based company said in an exchange filing on 11th July. As we double down on efforts to strengthen our innovation prowess, we will keep exploring opportunities for greater collaboration with key technology providers. We remain focused on helping our clients harness the potential of GenAI with targeted solutions to address some of their most pressing operational challenges and make their business future-ready, Indegene Chief Technology Officer Tarun Mathur said. Company said in a press release. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Shares of Ahluwalia Contracts jumped to hit an intraday high of 1,539 rupees and 85 paise per share on Thursday. The surge in share price came after the company announced that it has secured an order worth 893.48 crore rupees from Airport Authority of India. Click here to connect with us on WhatsApp. According to the order details, the company will be responsible for the development of Lal Bahadur International Airport in Varanasi. Ahluwalia Contracts will engage in the construction of a new terminal building, allied works on engineering procurement and construction model, the company said in a statement. HPL Electric and Power shares skyrocketed 19.99% in trade on 11th July after the company announced it won a letter of award for smart meters. According to a filing with the exchanges, the order is valued at 2,000.71 crore rupees. It has been received from HPL Electric's regular leading customers. The company has not shared further details about the order, such as the timeline or location. The order amount exceeds the previous year's total order book for HPL Electric. Additionally, it represents about 64% of the company's market capitalization, which is slightly above 3,300 crore rupees. Real estate developer Keystone Realtors Limited, also known by its brand name Rustomjee, has announced entry into the plotted development sector with a significant land acquisition. The company has executed a deed of conveyance for acquiring around 88 acres in Kasara, Thane, Maharashtra. This land has been acquired for a total consideration of 91 crore rupees. In an exchange filing, Keystone Realtors said the payment for this acquisition will be made in a staggered manner, extending up to February 2026 from the date of the deed of conveyance. Shares of Tata Elxsi continued to slide during the trading session Thursday as the Tata Group-backed IT solution provider tumbled another 3% after a muted set of numbers in the June 2024 quarter. The company announced its earnings for the April to June quarter on Wednesday, after the market hours. The Tata Group company had reported a net profit of 188 crore rupees in the year-ago period. Revenue from operations grew 9% in the June 2024 quarter at 926 crore rupees as against 850 crore rupees in the same quarter last fiscal. Tata Elxsi Ltd EBITDA came in at 225 crore rupees, falling 3.6% YoY from 233.7 crore rupees a year ago, while EBIT margins contracted 105 basis points YoY to 24.3%. Its net margin or profit before taxes stood at 26.3% for the given quarter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.